Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun Shamrock card for you. This is my Shamrocks all over layered card. Isn't that fun with those different colors of green making this nice dimension here on the front cover panel? There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. Now this card is a little bit of a nod to a card that I did last year, which is called my Shamrock Cluster card. I'll link that down below. That's available for purchase in my shop. This one is a little bit different. I wanted to add a little bit more color to it and just make everything pop a little bit more. It's super simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you haven't signed up for a membership yet, you can click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page that goes over our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual subscriptions. Go ahead and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account. I'll go ahead and type in my credentials and click login. And now we're logged into our account. To get to the file library, you can head up to the Files tab and click File Library. And now you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 164. That is the Shamrocks All Over Layered card. Go ahead and click the download and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting to the score lines on the envelope and on the card base. Go ahead and scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line. Change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Once the score lines on the envelope and the card base are converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything all cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and layer up our front cover panel. So we're going to start with the solid green and then move on to the darker green, and then the last layer on top is this lighter green. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I go ahead and layer all that together. Okay, so there is our fun, colorful front cover panel. I'll go ahead and set that to the side and let that dry. I'm going to go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel now. And I'll set that to the side. Go ahead and take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Let's open up the card and add our messaging panel to the inside. And go ahead and close up the card and add that front cover panel to the front. And there is our Shamrocks All Over card. Isn't that cute? I'm going to set the card to the side and I'll go ahead and show you how to make the envelope. So for the envelope, we're just going to go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Now you can add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over and add that to the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold those side flaps in, add glue along the bottom edge of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press on that bottom flap. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How easy is this card? You could totally dress it up. You could add a sentiment to the front, add any kind of embellishments that you want, maybe some stickles or something like that. You could dress up the inside with some of the unused pieces, the shamrocks that get cut out of the front cover panel. Use those to decorate the inside as well. There's so many options here. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!